Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to Alazaes Beauty. Now sorry I've been MIA, I've been so busy this week, oh my goodness, it's just been hectic. But I definitely wanted to show you guys a couple things I got from Dollar Tree. That's my spot, that's my store. So if you didn't know, that's the place to shop if you didn't know. Alright, now we all love, glamorous room, make it nice and neat and beautiful and stuff. And obviously when you're in a budget, you want to make it look nice, but gorgeous at the same time. And these are some of the stuff I found at Dollar Tree. I was like amazed and I love them. But let me show you what I found so far and see, take a little look when you go to, Dollar Tree, see what you guys like and stuff. Okay, first thing is I found this thing. I thought it was so cute. You've seen this probably before on my dresser and stuff. I wanted to show you guys because this, I had bought it at Dollar Tree, so I love it. This one says Dream and it's really heavy, so I definitely like it. So for decor, this is the place to shop. And I also probably because I like going to Michael's. Michael's is my spot as well, so if you didn't know, that's my spot as well. But I love this is really nice and stuff. All right, let me put this over here to the side. All right, the next thing I seen is like these little frames. I thought they were so cute and adorable. It says follow your dreams. I just love the message it sends out here. And this one, you could just, pop it up anywhere you want, or you could take a little thing and stick it on the wall as well, either or. And the next one is family is everything. Definitely love this one. I love the messages on these. Look at that, how cute that is. You can't beat it. And it's pretty sturdy, so it's not like it's cheap made or anything. And for $1, man, you can't beat this. So, all right, another thing I like that I seen was this one that says family. I thought it was so cute. Look at that. I love it. And you could pretty much post this anywhere. You can either hang it up, put it on your tabletop, anywhere, you want to go ahead and set that down. Bam. All right. Next one. Now, if you didn't know, I love cups. I love cups, coffee mugs, you name it. I just love cups. When I see cute ones and nice ones and, whatever, I love them. So I thought this one was cute. This one says, dreams are only dreams until you make them real. I love this one. And I love it has that little kind of like wannabe theme of Sephora. I thought that was so cute. So, and this you can easily use it as a cup for coffee, tea, or just to decor, put makeup in here or whatever. You like put my lotion, my Victoria's Secret lotion, and my little spray, the mini size. I like to put them in there just to take them out. Or you can use your makeup brushes, put them in here as well. So, that's not bad. All right. The next one I like that I found, and I thought it was super cute, and I love coffee. I don't know if other people like coffee now, but I love coffee. I love iced coffee. Usually that's my thing. And I thought this was so cute. It says coffee because anger management is too expensive. I thought that was super cute. I hadn't even taken out the little plastic thing off of it. But I thought this was super cute. You can either hang it up or like I said on the table it has a little thing where you can take it out. So I thought this was super cute. Now anyone that knows me knows I love wine. Wine is my thing as well. So on this one I found it says sip happens, it's okay to wine. I thought that was cute. Look at that. I thought that was so adorable. And you can also, like I said, hang it up or place it on the thing, either or. So I'm still trying to figure out where I want to put all this stuff in, so hook it up. Alright. The next thing I found that I thought was so cute, it says missing items. And this you can hang up. I thought it was so adorable. And then you could just clip the little things right here. So you could just get creative with this. Put whatever you want. Even if it says missing items, you could always put like little note papers for yourself or whatever you desire to put. Some people put socks on here, which I thought it was super cute. I seen that. I thought it was cute and stuff. Missing, usually socks do go missing all the time. So, all right. Next thing I found was this. I thought it was super cute because who doesn't like and who doesn't have keys? So keys, and look at that. It has the word keys and it has 3 little things on here. So bam, you can just hang it up anywhere you want, hang your keys or hang anything else. Even if you have your little, like you go to school, your little name tag, hang it up there so you won't lose it, whatever you want to hang up in there. Bam, do your thing. All right. Next thing I seen that was so cute as well was right here that says be you. I love that. And I always love the things that say positive messages. I love it. When it says be you, that's one thing I love. Mainly be a leader, not a follower. Remember that at all times. Be a leader. So be you. Don't let nobody change you. Always remember that. All right. Another thing I found that I thought it was super cute. All right. These are like little frames and stuff. But this one says relax. I love it. So I don't know if you can see it the other way. Bam, relax. So I thought this was super cute. So you just hang it on the wall or whatever you want to do with this. This is super cute. I thought it was cute. So, all right. Another thing, like I said, I love wine, right? So another one that says wine o'clock. So wine o'clock, right here, wine o'clock. Bam. So like I said, again, you can hang these up, or sometimes I've seen some people will get two, they'll put them together, and then they'll open like a little part where you could change in their letters, notes, you know, whatever you want to do as well. So, all right, the last one I have found that I seen today that was super cute was this one. It says aim to inspire. I love this one. Let me see if I can put it so you guys can see. Aim to inspire. So I definitely love the message on this because that's something I'm definitely trying to do and try to inspire everyone out there. Be positive, be fierce, and look good and look your best at all times. Love it. Now the next product I had found, it is not from Dollar Tree. I found this. Okay, the next product I had found this one actually at local stores called 5 and Below. So I don't know if you guys have one, you know, locally in your area, but everything I would say is 5 and Below. So this one is actually the ring light right here, and I thought it was super cute. This one was actually $5, and I'll turn it on. It has 3 different settings. So bam, and I love it because sometimes I like to take pictures and I don't want to take my big ring light, you know, everywhere and stuff. You know, sometimes it is dim and stuff, so I like to take pictures, you know, selfies for different occasions or just to post on Instagram, you know, whatever. And this one actually does a job. I was surprised. I like it does really good. It does really good. It gives you a nice soft finish, so it's really good and stuff. So I definitely highly recommend that. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy my goodies that I had found today at Dollar Tree. And believe me, if you guys don't have a Dollar Tree, believe me, you don't know what you're missing. Dollar Tree is my spot. I know a lot of people don't like going to dollar stores, but believe me, you will find so many good stuff in there, you will be surprised. And a lot of the products I had found, I usually could find them at Michael's for a little bit more. So to get them for $1 a piece, come on, you're saving money as well. Come on now. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.